Today, I'm going to show you how to change out the air filter assembly on your WEN generator. Make sure the generator is off before starting and never perform maintenance on a running generator. The air filter assembly is located on the left-hand side of the generator. This video will show you detailed step-by-step instructions for how to remove and reattach your air filter assembly. Before doing anything else, make sure to turn the fuel valve to the off position in order to stop the flow of fuel to the carburetor. First, locate the air cleaner assembly to the left of the recoil starter. Remove the cover by unscrewing the knob located at the bottom of the air cleaner. Next, remove the foam air filter from the housing. Just a warning, the foam filter is probably somewhat oily. After removing the foam, remove the metal grate from the air cleaner housing. Once the grate has been removed, you'll find a 10mm nut in the middle of the housing. Remove the nut and set it to the side. The next nut to remove can be found on the top left-hand side of the housing. The third nut is located on the back side of the housing near the base. Once all three of these nuts are removed, detach the rubber hose on the left-hand side of the air filter assembly. Use a pair of pliers to remove the clamp holding it in place before sliding off the hose. The second and final hose can be found in the top of the air filter assembly. Pull this hose from the housing. At this point, the air filter assembly should be completely free. Now you're free to remove the old air filter assembly and replace it with the new one. Reattach your 3 bolts, the one in the front middle of the casing, the one on the left-hand side, and also the one on the back near the base. Next, plug both of your hoses back in. Use a pair of pliers to secure the clamp on the hose leading into the left-hand side of the air filter housing. The hose on top can be fed in without any tools. Replace the metal grate, making sure that it fits securely onto its intended 2 threads. This is very important, as it prevents the foam filter from being sucked into the carburetor. Finally, fit the foam filter back into the housing. Once it's nice and secure, close up the casing with the air filter assembly cover. And there you have it. That's how you swap out the air filter assembly on your WEN generator.
Remember WEN.